everyone, my name is Tanisha Agrawal. Today I am here to represent the topic on the topic of IndusInd Bank saving account. There are the 5 types of saving account. First is India's Classic saving account. Second is India's Maximum savings account. Third is India's Privilege savings account. Fourth is India's Senior savings account. Fifth is India's Young saver account. Now first, India's Classic savings account. Its eligibility open to individual residents of India age 18 and 18 above. Now its benefits like basic saving accounts with essential in banking features in India's Classic saving accounts. Now second point is free monthly cash withdrawals up to a set limit. Third, debit card. It also a debit card facility with reward points. Now it features free passbook and email statements, access to online and mobile banking. Now third is free RTGS. There are the free RTGS in India's Classic savings account. NEFT transaction within limits, no limits. Now fourth is minimum balance requirement. There are the minimum balance requirement in India's Classic savings account. Rupees 10,000 to rupees 25,000. Depends on the branch location. ATM withdrawal limit. There are ATM withdrawal limit rupees 50,000 rupees only. Now last point is monthly fee cash deposit limit typically up to rupees 1 lakh. Now second, India's Maximum saving account. Now its eligibility in India's Maximum saving accounts is eligibility it's individuals seeking premium services and higher transaction limits. Now its benefits premium saving accounts with higher transaction limits of free services. Now second point, complimentary personalized checkbook, free NEFT RTGS transactions. Now third, higher cashback on select debit card spends on India's Maximum saving account. Now its features in India's Maximum. Now its features of India's Maximum saving accounts. Dedicated relation manager, ATM withdrawal limit. There are the ATM withdrawal limit in India's Maximum saving account rupees 1 lakh rupees only. Monthly free cash deposit limit up to 2 to 3 lakhs. Now third, India's Privilege saving accounts. Its eligibility in India's Privilege saving accounts is individuals seeking higher withdrawal limits and premium services. Now its benefit higher ATM withdrawal and transaction limits, discounts on demand drafts and textbooks and checkbooks. Features there are the no limits, minimum balance requirement. There are the minimum balance requirement in India's Privilege saving account rupees 10,000 to 25,000. ATM withdrawal limit. There are ATM withdrawal limit in India's Privilege saving account rupees 75,000 daily. Now monthly free cash deposit limit up to rupees 1 lakh. Now fourth, India's Senior saving account. Its eligibility individuals aged 60 years and above. Benefits special accounts designed for senior citizens with personalized services. Discounts on healthcare services and on other offers for seniors. Now its features there are no limits. ATM withdrawal limit rupees 50,000 daily. Additional free withdrawals from other bank ATMs. Monthly fee cash deposit limit typically up to rupees 1 lakh. Now fifth, India's Young saver account. Its eligibility minors below 18 years. So account open jointly with a parent or guardian. Its benefits help indicate saving habits in children. Customizable debit card with child photos for added security. Features minimum balance requirement rupees 5,000. ATM withdrawal limit 5,000 daily. Monthly fee cash deposit limited to the nominal transaction for minors. Free educational resources and account management towards for minors. Access to digital banking and mobile app for young savers. Thank you.